Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the last problem from exercise 3.2. Problem goes like this. Draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines with the x-axis and shade the rectangular region. So you are given with two equations, that is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. We need to represent these two equations graphically. So I'll write here y is equal to x plus 1. So you take different values of x and get values for y. Suppose say take x is equal to 0, y value will get it as 1. So take x is equal to minus 1, y will get it as 0. Right? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 will get. So take x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, y value will get it as 2. Similarly, take some x is equal to 3, y value 3 plus 1 will get it as 4. Now let us consider the second equation. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. From here I can write 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. That is y I can write it as minus 3x plus 12 divided by 2. Again take different values of x and get the value of y. Suppose say take x is equal to 0. So y value will be 12 by 2, 6. Right, so take x is equal to 2. 12 minus 6, 6 divided by 2. So I'll get y value as 3. Say x is equal to some 4. 12 minus 12, 0. So y value is 0. So now I'll try to plot these points on the graph here. So the first equations points are, the first equation, the points that are satisfying the first equation are 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Similarly, for the second equation, the valid points here are 0, 6, 2, 3 and 4, 0. Right? So now I have marked all the points of the first equation here and joined. So this straight line will indicate the equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, the second set of points I have marked here 0, 6, 2, 3 and 4, 0. So this straight line will indicate 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So here we can clearly observe these two lines are making a triangle with the x-axis. See here, as they are telling, you have to find the vertices of the triangle formed by the lines with the x-axis. So one point we have to consider with x is equal to 0 such that the line will touch the x-axis. So that's why I have taken x is equal to 0 in both the equations, right? So here these are the points that I am getting, that is minus 1, 0 and 2, 3, 4, 0. So these three are the vertices of the triangle that is formed with the x-axis. So now they are asking you to shade the region of the triangle that is formed by x-axis. So here you can write the vertices of triangle formed is equal to minus 1, 0, 2, 3 and 4, 0. Right? So this is the solution for this problem. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.